Revolutionize fire hydrant maintenance with our new Neilson fire hydrant design.
911, what's your emergency?
Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever encountered a fire hydrant out of service? It's a common and frustrating sight for both emergency responders and municipalities. The reality is that fire hydrants can fail for several reasons, often due to the malfunction of internal components. But what if there was a solution that could make these hydrants more reliable and easier to maintain? Introducing our innovative fire hydrant design modification. We are thrilled to present our groundbreaking Neilson fire hydrant design. This modification, which aims to solve the common problems that lead to fire hydrant failures. Our solution simplifies the traditional fire hydrant by focusing on just two essential components, a gate valve and our specially designed automatic drain valve. What makes our design different? Our modification is straightforward yet highly effective. It consists of a robust gate valve and an automatic drain valve installed at the bottom of the fire hydrant shoe. This design eliminates many of the internal parts that typically fail and cause fire hydrants to go out of service. Here's a closer look at our automatic drain valve. Service loop and PVC bushings. The service loop on top connects seamlessly to PVC bushings, ensuring the perfect outer diameter for installation. We've added a rubber lining to these bushings to guarantee a watertight seal. Brass nipple and orbit sprinkler valve. The bottom section is constructed with a brass nipple that connects to an orbit sprinkling automatic drain valve. This combination offers a reliable, high-performance drainage solution. Our design can be implemented as a complete fire hydrant replacement or easily retrofitted to any existing fire hydrant model with a secondary shutoff valve. This means no matter the brand or style, our modification can make your fire hydrants more reliable and much easier to maintain. Why choose our fire hydrant modification? Every fire hydrant on the market today follows a similar basic design to drain water from the barrel after use. This traditional setup includes several internal parts that can, and often do, fail over time. Our innovative modification not only simplifies this process but also reduces the risk of failure, making fire hydrants more dependable and easier to service. And the best part, even if you have a PS number 2 hydrant model, which has a unique design, you can still benefit from our modification with some minor adjustments. Easily retrofitting a fire hydrant installation is accomplished in just a few steps. Step 1. Remove the old parts. Start by removing all internal components, including the valve stem, valve seat, gate arms, and drip valve systems. You're essentially clearing out everything inside. Step 2. Drill a hole for the new valve. Next, drill a hole in the fire hydrant shoe to install the automatic drain valve. This is a straightforward process that involves removing the upper barrel and bonnet, stabilizing the drill bit shank, and drilling a precise hole. Step 3. Install the automatic drain valve. Insert the automatic drain valve assembly into the hole using the valve press tool. Apply pressure ensuring the rubber lining is firmly seated for a secure fit. Step 4. Block the weep holes. Block the weep holes on the removed valve seat using your preferred method. After that, reinstall the valve seat and reassemble the fire hydrant. Step 5. Adapt the shutoff valve. Install a flange adapter on the secondary shutoff valve riser, which will now function as your primary operating valve. Add a valve box flanged extension with breakaway bolts, ensuring everything aligns perfectly for optimal performance. Simplified maintenance. Should the fire hydrant ever need maintenance, you can easily disassemble it at the breakaway flange. The automatic drain valve can be retracted using the service loop for quick and hassle-free repairs or replacements. With years of experience in fire hydrant maintenance, I can confidently say this design is the most reliable and maintenance-friendly on the market. Invest in a reliable future. Thank you for your time today.